Why, hello everybody. This is Joe the Lego Man here, and today this is going to be a part one. So, as you see, this is the Natural History Museum. Now, this particular museum was donated by Nicholas. He is one of the neurodivergent people that I work with. And what we are doing is we are also in collaboration with a museum. So, what our plan is, we're going to be making our own Lego city at some point in the future, and this is going to be part of it. Now, as you can see, Nicholas has built it on the base plates as per the instructions go, and quite frankly, it's actually pretty cool. Now, what we are going to do, or what I'm going to start to do, is I'm going to transfer this onto these two base plates. So what's going to happen is I'm going to pop the top section right off, and I'm going to take this whole bottom section out, put it here, but I'm going to bring this forward as I can, because what we want to do on the back is open up this bottom section, extend it out, and then get a second museum and do the same thing here with a little courtyard in the middle. So let's have at her. So our first step will be to take off the second floor of this museum as such, and we're just going to set this aside. So now that we have this, what I am going to do, I'm going to carefully peel this building right off the base plate as much as I can. I'm going to take out the minifigs, any of the loose parts, probably statues and trees. Same with inside, whatever there is loose and not physically attached to that building. And then brick by brick, line these stairs up. These stairs with the edge of the plate here. And now let's begin. So the museum is now on the Mills plate that I've put together. It's two base plates wide. There's the base plates that came on. Now, for the most part, it's pretty well exactly as it was. The only thing is on the back, for some reason, this ain't going all the way down. As you can see, it's on the Mills plate, but this section, for some reason, just ain't going down. But I'm not going to stress too much about that part because I am taking out that wall. So this wall is going to be basically removed and extended out this way. So let's carry on. So as you can see, we've gotten this basically almost taken apart. Now, I left these walls in because I'm probably going to end up sealing that section off just because it is a toilet and a little lab, and also it will give the middle of the second floor a little bit of support. But I will extend this out and this out, and then whatever I do here will be mirrored on the other museum. So let's build up the wall, seal that off, and see what it looks like. And as you can see also, kind of have my pieces somewhat separated. Kind of, sort of. So my museum has been transferred. Now, there's the 2 base plates it originally came with. Now, as you can see, I left the sidewalk in place because I brought this right to the front of the mills plate. And you know what? It worked out pretty good. I got the tree back in. I got the flowers, the statues, the stairs. The handrails are in. And I brought the dog around to the front. The window washer is still washing. Now, as we spin this around, you can see I extended the wall. Now, on both sides, and I kind of open concept this. Now, issue that I started to have was pieces. As you can see, got a few mix and match colors here, so I'm gonna have to order up some of the same coloring just to fill that in. And I needed some 1x1s, which I did not have, so I just put the 1x2 technique like that. I'm gonna switch it at some point. The windows, threw them on the sides. So this is kind of like an open concept. Now behind this wall is the laboratory and the bathroom, so I kept them private. But as you can see, we got the dinosaur in there. We still got the staircase and the wall art in place. Now when I get a second museum to fill on this side, I will bring this mills plate in, connect it like that, and extend it all the way out, and having an open courtyard in the middle here. So it's looking like it's going to be about maybe up to here as an open courtyard. We'll get some kind of garden theme going in the middle, and kind of walkway here and walkway there, and the rest of the museum on this side. But not doing too badly. So that is it for Museum Extension Part 1. Stay tuned. I'm not sure when Part 2 is going to come out. Got to get second museum. Got to get a few other pieces, but it's a start. So like, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you soon.